Oh, Caillou, that makes you look really scary.
I know. Why don't we each tell some scary stories?
We're not afraid.
Once upon a time, there were two girls who were riding their bikes through a spooky wood. It began to get dark, and they could hear owls hooting in the trees above them. They began to feel really, really scared. Suddenly, the chain came off their bikes, and they got stuck. They were so scared and shaking that they couldn't pull the chains back on. We're never going to get out of here! Then they heard a strange noise somewhere in the woods behind them. They slowly turned around, and there, in front of them, was a ghost! Ghost! The two girls were frozen to the spot. The ghost began to come closer and closer. Go away! The ghost floated right through them and over to the bicycles. Hey, get away from our bikes! All of a sudden, the ghost vanished, and the girls saw that the chains on their bicycles had been magically fixed. Whoa! Whoa!
Clementine, that wasn't scary. It sounds like a friendly ghost. Leo?
I'm not scared. I was pretending.
I'll tell you a really scary story. Once upon a time, there was a boy who lived on a farm with his daddy. They built a scarecrow to frighten the birds away from eating their vegetables. That night, there was a storm that woke the boy up. He looked out his bedroom window and saw the scarecrow standing in the vegetable patch. Daddy! Daddy! The scarecrow is moving!
Don't be silly. Scarecrows can't move.
The daddy let the boy sleep in his room because he was scared, and soon he fell fast asleep. In the morning, they looked out the window, but the scarecrow had vanished.
So, had the scarecrow really come to life?
Maybe his hat just blew there? It's the scarecrow!
He's come for us!
Let me in. I know you're not asleep yet. I can hear you talking.
Daddy, it's you!
I've brought you all some hot chocolate and cookies. It's very cozy in here. What have you all been talking about all this time?
We were telling each other really scary stories.
But we're not scared.
No, we're not scared at all.
Daddy, would you like to sleep in the den too tonight?
I don't think I'd fit, Caillou, but why don't I sleep on the couch and keep watch in case any scarecrows come?
That would be great, Daddy. Then you don't have to miss out on all the fun.
Today, Caillou was visiting the petting zoo with Mommy, Daddy, and Rosie.
It's okay, Rosie. They're just sheep. Sheep are soft and friendly. You see? Yuck! Go kisses. Thank you. Hey, get out of here, you! Buzz off! Go and get your own ice cream! Ow!
What's the matter, Caillou? Oh, you dropped your ice cream. It's okay. We can get you another one.
It's not my ice cream. It's my nose. A greedy bee stung me.
Oh dear, poor Caillou. Here, this will make you feel better.
Why did it sting me, Mommy?
Well, it probably thought you were trying to hurt it, Caillou.
I did try and hit it, but it was trying to eat my ice cream.
Caillou, you shouldn't try and hit bees. They're very special little creatures. Come on, let's follow him and see where he goes.
Is that his house?
That's right, Caillou. A bee's house is called a hive.
That's a big house for just one little bee.
Actually, thousands of bees live in there. Listen carefully and you can hear them.
It sounds like an airplane. What are those ones doing?
They're collecting nectar, which they use to make honey. Bees love sweet things.
Like ice cream?
Exactly. That bee didn't want to hurt you. It just wanted to share some of your ice cream.
Bees should learn to say please.
Come on. I know something fun we can do to cheer you up.
Look! A horsey!
Almost, Caillou. That's a donkey.
Excuse me, can me and my sister ride the donkey?
Sure you can.
Whoa, this is high up.
Here, these will keep you safe.
Hold on to your sister, Caillou. We don't want either of you falling off.
Wow, he must be very strong to carry both of us.
That's right. Donkeys may be small, but they are very strong.
Like me.